I know a lot of you guys love these Yongnuo lights for working on your car or video or photography. They're awesome. You can put a battery on them. They're totally portable, or you can plug them into an AC power adapter. And the color temperature is adjustable, the brightness is adjustable, and then these barn doors can be used to shape the light. And they mount right onto a tripod or the top of your camera. Problem I have is the original mount on this Yongnuo light is made out of a plastic that's so cheap it's falling apart. It's so cheap I don't think I can even JB weld this plastic back together. So I was super bummed I can't mount my Yongnuo light on anything. Before I could mount it onto the top of a camera with this, or a tripod with the little bolt hole in there, whichever you wanted. Found a simple and cheap solution. This is a GoPro tripod mount. It's made out of aluminum. It's very solid and it'll fit right on a tripod. It'll fit on the bottom of this Yongnuo light, and it has a built-in aluminum nut. Now when I went to install this on my Yongnuo light, I didn't order a bolt that came with this. I only ordered the mount. You can get them with a bolt. Cost a few dollars more. This is the original Yongnuo bolt. I kind of had to force it into the threads a little bit on this aluminum nut, and it seems to have cut its own threads. Works great. When I put it on the light, what I found is it wouldn't really clamp down to grab onto these serrated edges, so the light would flop around. So all I had to do is just tighten this bolt down by itself enough to squish these together just slightly. These tangs got squished together, and now it'll clamp onto the light and hold it in place just fine. So for $4 on eBay or Amazon, my Yongnuo lights are repaired. Now I've lost the ability to put this onto a hot shoe of a camera. Kind of a big light to be putting on top of a camera, but for those of you that still want to do that, all you need is what's called a hot shoe adapter. And this hot shoe adapter will slide into the top of your camera. The GoPro mount will thread onto the top of the hot shoe adapter. It's all aluminum, strong construction, and now you can mount this light right on top of your camera. So super cheap, easy fix for the Yongnuo YN300 III and possibly other Yongnuo lights. Super excited. Hope this helped you guys. Good luck. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And this is my first cell phone upload to YouTube in hopes of making my life more simple. So hopefully you guys like the quality and I don't have to sit and edit in front of a computer all day on my pro camera.